Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's see how we can provide answer to this question. And indices, we have 3 exponent 2x plus 1 plus 9 equals to 3 exponent x plus 3 plus what? 3 exponent x. So let's see how we can rearrange this. We know in this space, the addition also shows a multiplication of base. Then here the addition also shows multiplication of base. So in this case, we can have 3 exponent of 2x plus 1 plus 9 equals to 3x plus 3 exponent x. So I'm going to write this as a multiplication, which is 3 exponent 2x, then times 3 exponent 1. You know, under the laws of indices, if you multiply the same base, you add the exponent, then plus. This can also be 3 exponent 2 if I want to change it. Then this becomes 3 exponent of x times 3 exponent of 3. Do you see that? Then we have plus 3 exponent of what? X. You can see all of them are having the same base. But because of this addition, we cannot ignore the bases and take the exponent. So what do? We are going to look at this and look at this. What we have as a common factor. We know 3 is here. 9 is also 3 times 3. So that is also a common factor. 3 exponent x. 3 exponent x. Common factor. So here, I put my 3 out as a common factor. When it divides, it cancels the 3, remaining 3 exponent 2x plus, this is 9. So we are having 3. 3 times 3 give us 9. Then here, 3 exponent of x into bracket. If it divides this, I'll be left with 3 exponent 3 plus 1. You know, 3 exponent x times 1 give rise to this. Alright, what do we do next? We can see that there is a 3 exponent x, 3 exponent x. This very one, we know multiplication is what? Commutative. So 3 exponent 2 can also be like this, or it can also be 3 exponent x raised to the power 2. We are multiplying the powers. So this can be multiplied to give you 2x, 2x. So I'll do same here, so that I have 3 exponent x as this. So now I rewrite this as 3 into bracket 3 exponent x all square plus 3 equals to 3 exponent x, 3 exponent 3 plus 1. I think I can get the answer for this. This will be 27 plus 1, that will be 28. So in this case, let's just say our 3 exponent x equals to y. We are replacing the 3 exponent x equals to y. And that will give us 3 into bracket y, but there's a square. Then plus 3 equals to, here become y into bracket 28. You see that this is 27 plus 1, that will give us 28. Let's expand this bracket. So this gives us 3y squared plus 9 equals to 28y. Let's group like terms because I'm seeing a quadratic term. So this becomes 3y squared. This is coming all the way minus 28y. 9 is already here, so plus equals to 0. What will be the next thing? We can see that 3 is not a factor of 28. So we can't divide through. So we use 3 to multiply 9. And that will give us 27. We need the factors of 27. If we add, we get negative 28. So since this is positive, the two factors will be negative. So this could be negative 1 times negative 27. You know the 2 give us positive. And if we add the 2, we also get what? A negative 28. So what do? We have, let's do the grouping method. 3y squared let's just say minus 1 times y, and that will be y. 27 times y, so negative 27y plus 9 equals to 0. Let's go for the grouping method. We are grouping the first two, meaning 3y squared minus y in one bracket minus into bracket 27y minus 9 equals to 0. This minus 9 is necessary because of the negative in front of the bracket. Negative times negative give you back your positive. So what are the common factors here? Y. So we pick the y out. We are left with 3y minus 1, meaning if you expand, you get back to the original. Minus common factor between 27 and 9, that will be 9. Dividing this will give us 3y. 9 dividing 1, y. 9 dividing 9 will give us what? 1. So we get 0 here. You see the bracket being the same. So that becomes a common factor. Minus 1. Dividing this will give you y. If you divide this, it gives you 9. That will also equal to 0. So in this case, we are going to have the first one being 0 or the second one being 0. That is 3y minus 1 is 0, or y minus 9 is also 0. Here we add 1 to both sides. That gives us 3y equals to 1. We divide by the coefficient, so y will be equals to 1 on 3. Adding 9 to both sides will also give you y equals to what? 9. So therefore, y is either 9 or 1/3. But don't forget, we are not looking for y. We are looking for x. So what do? We replace the value of y with what? The original term, 3 exponent x. So in this case, if y equals to 1 on 3, then we can say that y is already here as 3 exponent x. So y is the same as this. Then that must equals to 1 on 3. And the indices, we know this will also become a negative exponent. So this will give us 3 exponent x equals to 3 exponent negative 1. That implies that the base are the same. So your x will be negative 1. And also, if your y is equal to 9, it also implies y is the same as 3 exponent x equals to 9. And we all know 9 can be written as 3 exponent 2, right? So we have 3 exponent x equals to 3 exponent 2. That implies that your x is also equals to 2. So here, what do we have it? This is minus 1 because x is going to be the same as what? Minus 1, since the base are the same. So therefore, x is equals to minus 1 or what? 2. You know, if you substitute minus 1 here, it gives you 3 exponent minus 1 times this, minus 2, plus this, minus 1, plus 9 equals to minus 1 here, give you 3 exponent 2, that is minus 1 plus 3. Then plus 3 exponent minus 1. You know this is the same as this, 9. So the left equals to the right. If I use 2, it becomes 3 exponent 4 plus 1, 5 plus 9. If I use 2 here, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3 exponent 2. 3 exponent 2 is 9. 3 exponent 5, 3 exponent 5. So truly the value of x is 1 or is minus 1 or 2. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video, like and comment. Bye bye.